In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily attach a photo to an entry on Journal application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Journal app, and then we can create new entry by tapping at that plus, or we can enter into existing one. To do that, tap at three dots and then tap at edit, and after that we'll be taken to the same interface in both cases where we are able to attach a photo. And to do that we can tap right here at that button. That will open up our camera roll, and from here we can just scroll down until we find photo or video we would like to attach to that entry. We can select multiple photos or videos at once, just like so. Keep selecting it until you find all the photos you would like to add, and then to add them, tap at done. Also, in Journal application, we can use our camera to take photos. We can tap right here. That will activate our camera, and then we can take a picture. And then if we tap at use photo, it will be automatically added to that entry. Once it is done and you would like to continue, you can continue editing that entry using all these tools, and then to save it, just tap at done. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.